This has got to be one of the best camera I've purchased in a long time, and it's the perfect size for traveling. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Paul, and today we're going to take a look at my new handheld small portable little DJI Pocket 3 camera. Alright, so this is what's in the package here. First off, you have the actual Pocket 3 itself, and then after that it is included with this bottom adapter here. It's got this USB in the front, and it just adapts right to the unit just like this. And with this, you're given this foot here, the stand, where you can just mount it like that. Okay, with that you can have stability to set this up. And what you can do is also, instead of this piece, it also comes with this one here. This is the battery extension pack with the USB and also the 1/4-inch adapter at the bottom, and that just snaps in place just like the previous piece, and it actually charges the top unit when it's connected. It also comes with your standard USB-C to USB-A cable right here. That's pretty standard. Then also the wrist strap and the DJI mic and a nice carrying case. And within the carrying case you have this bottom section here and this top section here that's magnetic, and on the top section here we have the 15mm lens, and it's magnetic, so it just pops right onto the lens. It's 15mm 108-degree field of view. The one that comes with the unit itself is a 20mm lens f2.0 with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. It also comes with this DJI nice carrying case right here, and within the case we do have the square little magnetic piece, and this piece is for the microphone. So you can hide this mic inside your shirt, something like this. If you wanted it to hang right here, well, you gotta take this off. But the magnet's there to hold this onto your shirt. This unit is primarily plastic. It's got this rubber non-slip pad at the front here. And then at the very top is a metal or aluminum head. This hard case here is very sturdy, and it's made of plastic material. The outside is rubberized, and you have cloth on the inside to cushion the lens and the unit. And when you put this away, it just slides right in like that. The battery pack, it's usually not used. It'll be something like this, and this is roughly about 6 inches. The microphone clips onto the very top here. That's how it's stowed away. Alright, so let's talk about some features of this camera here. It does have a 1-inch sensor with 20mm f2 lens. Focus range is from 0.2 meters or about 8 inches. ISO range from 50 to 6400 in standard mode, and in night mode or low light mode it's 50 up to 16,000. We have the ability to shoot 4K in standard mode at 60 frames per second, and we can do slow motion 4K at 120 frames per second. Low light mode we can do 4K at 120 frames per second. It does come now with a standard 2-inch screen, and it's a touch screen, so it's much bigger than the previous version. And it does have 700 nits of brightness, so that will ensure that you can still see the screen in bright daylight. It's got built-in active track 6.0 software with D-Log M and 10-bit. It's got stereo recording, 3 built-in microphone, 2 on the sides, 1 in the front. It charges in 16 minutes up to 80% and 32 minutes to have it fully charged. Check out the link in the description below if you're looking to get one for yourself as well. That link helps my channel out at no additional cost to you. And if you do get this unit, please post a comment. Let me know how you're liking your unit. All right, let's look at the menu and let's see what this camera offers. All right, here is the screen here. You have 4 ways of swiping. You can swipe from the bottom up, which will give you the resolution and the frame rate. So right now I have it set to 4K at 24 frames per second. But if I wanted to, I could bump that up all the way up to 60 frames. I currently have it set to 24. You can also slide from this side if you want to review anything that's been recorded. There's nothing on this SD card. I have a 512 gigabyte card in here, which gives me 12 hours and 22 minutes of recording if I'm shooting at 4K 24 frames. But if I change this to something different like 60, it'll be reduced to 9 hours and 19 minutes. Alright, and the other option we have here is if you swipe from this side here, from the right, you have all these special options. This is Pro turned off. And with that turned off, you have your glamour effects right here that you can toggle on or off. You have your adjustments right here for the image. You could do some custom if you wanted to, noise and sharpness. I just leave it at default for now. But I normally shoot in Pro mode. And in Pro mode, you have your exposure. I have it set to manual. And you can see right here, over here, you can adjust the ISO manually, or you can shoot in auto mode if you wanted to. So I have it in manual. Here is the shutter speed, 1/120. Okay, and then you have white balance right over here. You can adjust it as needed. You also have the same glamour effects right here. You gotta do that on the app. It's got additional features. Color, I have a normal right now. You can have HLG or D-Log. Then also down here you have focus mode. And right there, product showcase is what I have, where you can have single or continuous. Single, continuous, and showcase mode. And last one here is image adjustment. I don't have anything set for this one. If you tap the top here, it'll give you battery status. The camera's at 100%, and the extended battery pack down here is at 69%. Now if we go top down, that gives us more additional feature here. I believe this is custom right here. Then you have this one here to rotate the screen. Screen rotating capture, and I don't have that turned on. Last setting is what it's going to default to when I turn this on. You have low light and hyperlapse. If you want to set those to automatically be in that mode, but I have it set to last setting right here. You have this mode here. You can switch between landscape or portrait or auto. This here is the default or fast. This is for your gimbal, how fast you want it to move. You can have it go slowly, default, or fast. I have it at default. This is for your gimbal again. You can have follow, tilt lock, or FPV. This one here is for selfie. I just haven't used it yet, so it's there if you need it. Again, this one's for brightness of the screen, and I like it around 80. You have your settings if you want to make additional settings. Setting up your microphone. My mic is set up already, so I don't have to worry about that. Gimbal direction, it's always forward, but I could change it backward. Rotate screen to power off, and after 2 seconds, it'll turn off. If we go in here, you have now, turn off automatically, or never. Slide control is set to gimbal and not zoom, or if you want zoom, you could do zoom instead. Selfie flip. You can turn that on if you want selfie to be. You can turn this on if you want it to be in selfie mode. You have also built-in audio backup. I have mine turned on. OTG connector, wireless connection, wearable mode, gimbal calibration, joystick speed, video compression, sound, reference line, time code, naming management, screen off when recording, auto power off, LED, continuous live stream, language, format, and factory reset, device info, and compliance info. So you have a lot of stuff in the settings that you can go into and play around with. Alright, so here's a random footage I put together using this camera while I was taking my son out driving. Alright, thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching the video to the end. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, please drop it down in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.